If you need to keep track of your time, this timesheet is perfect for you. This is perfect for small business owners or even freelancers to keep track of your time. This keeps track of your time in 2-week increments and also tracks the total pay. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. First, we want to put in what week it is. So let's just put in that the week is going to start on the 25th. And then we're going to do a sample showing you how the timesheet works. So say I'm going to come in on the 26th and I'm going to start putting in my time. Now, once I choose that date, it will populate the week all the way down. So if I choose the date starting on Sunday, it's going to start all the way down. So just know that that's how that works. And then the rest of it is a formula. So just be mindful of that if you're making a copy and using this again. Okay, so if we come in on the Monday, it's going to put in our day, and then we can say, what is the client name that we're working with? So let's just say, store name. And then let's say the task is we are going to do, social media content creation. And then we're going to start at 9 a.m. and end at noon. But just be mindful and note how I am putting in the time. And I'm doing 9:00 a.m. And then I think I said noon, 12:00 p.m. time out. It will calculate your hours for you on the right. If we come back in at 12:30, and then we end at, let's say 3:30, it will calculate the total hours for the day. So you've worked 6 total hours. Okay, you can also put your rate per hour. So say you're working for $18 an hour, it will calculate your total pay for you. So 59 hours times 18 is 1,066 and 50 cents. So that's a super, super simple sheet to use. I also have a blank timesheet to help you to start from scratch. And just remember, if you do go and make a copy of this sheet, that you're only gonna, come in and delete this part. The rest of it is in formulas, so it could break. So just be careful. I do have multiple other timesheets that could work for you. I have, employee timesheets and things like that. I have lots of other HR type of spreadsheets that could help you. I have lots of spreadsheets that can help your business to stay organized to your home for your budgeting. I have over 400 sheets at this point on my website. So feel free to take a look around. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.